Hello there, it's Shirley from WTI. And when it comes to take care of my tablet, I always look for the best case to keep it maintained. And this cover from the brand ZtotopCase is my solution. Although its design is basic, I like it because this tablet I use for my schoolwork when I want to study, and it's soft and lightweight. It comes in various colors, but I like this one because it doesn't get as dirty. Since I tend to leave everything lying around and forget about it. As my tablet comes with its pen, this case has a space when I can put it. And if I don't want to put it there, it has a magnet on top. So I can place it there, make it easy for me to use. It's practical because I can place it in various positions for watching movies or when I want to write or draw something. On the edges, it has a thick layer that ensures that if my tablet falls down, the screen won't suffer as much. It's my daily planner. I'm always with it, and I'm looking for to take care of it and ensures that it has a good quality. In this case is my solution, and that's my point of view.